going to leave the seatbelt sign on for the time being. We're working with air traffic control. This could be smooth rides anywhere in the vicinity. So we'll leave that seatbelt sign on. My computer shows us touching down about 50 minutes from now. So we've got to sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.